Hello. You Steven? Steven? Yeah, revoked. Stop! Stop! Before he's taking off on me going through a yard. Be in front of you, boss. Watch him. To your knees. To your knees. Stay out far.
The 20th of May, 2022, Crosse, Wisconsin. Stephen Johnston, 24, with an active felony warrant and revoked license, fled a lawful traffic stop and led police on a high-speed urban pursuit.
Hello. You Steven? Steven? Yeah. Stephen Johnston? Yeah. Hop out of the car for me, you're revoked. Stop! Stop! I don't know, he's taking off on me going through a yard. Hop out of the car for me, you're revoked. Stop! Stop! I don't know, he's taking off on me going through a yard. He's going westbound towards Crescent Street. It's going to be a Stephen Johnston. I did get a Taser deployment, but he fled. Copy, westbound towards Crescent. Where's that? Yeah. Straight?
5 from 165 and flop.
904. I'll be in pursuit of it northbound of Bainbridge. We're still northbound by 65 miles per hour. I'm gonna terminate pursuit.
Northbound. Terminating.
Running that way? Okay. 904 information.
Go ahead.
Had a passerby stayed, he fled on foot. I believe northbound kind of towards the Town Hall hotel area. This vehicle's in the lane, so I gotta stick here, but if someone else can come this way. They said somewhere that way, I don't know. He ran out of his flip-flops, so he probably not too far.
You want me to stay at the vehicle, or you want me to leave it and start walking?
Yeah, if you want to just take a loop around the block, maybe, see if you can come across him.
What he's wearing?
No, he's got long blonde hair, shorter guy. I can't remember his shirt or anything.
Okay.
Yeah. Probably the first left, somewhere in that area, if you want to check it out.
What's he wearing?
Blonde, long hair. I'm not sure what he's wearing. Shorter guy. He's barefoot. I tase him either in the chest or the face, so he should stand out. Yeah. Thanks.
323, 312.
Do you mind sitting on this car? Yeah. Just have him drop it at our PD right here. Okay. Thank you. Alaska car, if you want to go to the west end of the building and cover that door. Hey, someone I had a chase with ran in here, blonde hair, no shirt, no shoes.
Nobody's came up in that direction by me.
They came in the
Blue shorts, no shirt.
B door.
And I'm not seeing anybody on
Blue shorts, no
camera.
shirt.
Okay. If you see them come by, call 911, okay? Thank you.
Are people breaking into boats? Is that the problem?
No, we just had a pursuit that the guy fled into here on foot, so.
Well, that's what when we came here the other day. That's I guess what people do here.
Well, it's a shitty hotel, so I wouldn't be
Well,
surprised. I would try to lock up whatever you got.
that's why I didn't put it outside.
Yeah. Hey,
Hey, how's it going?
good. You see a guy shirtless, blonde hair running this building at all?
I'm just stepping out right now.
Oh, you didn't see that or nothing?
No, I haven't.
Okay, thank you. So, I wonder if you saw a guy, long blonde hair, no shirt on, come up through here at all?
No.
Okay, all right.
Have you?
All right, thank you. You guys seen anybody, longer blonde hair guy, no shirt, blue jeans, shorts?
No.
Okay. Well, if you do, let us know, please. He fled from a traffic stop and ran into here. So.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Police department.
So it's going to be a little while.
Okay.
Alright.
That's the guy we're looking for if you see him.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, if I do see somebody like that, I'll give you guys a call. You know that.
Yep, thank you.
My staff, my head housekeeper just called down to me.
249?
She opened the door.
Okay.
She went to go use this kind of key.
Yep.
And it's dead bolted now.
Okay.
Okay, and the only way is with a hard key.
Okay.
And that don't make sense to us, you know. And she didn't want to open it or anything without you guys being here. But she's up there.
Nobody's got the room reserved?
No, because it's out of order because of the toll late.
Okay.
Okay.
She has a hard key?
She has a hard key.
Okay, perfect, yep.
And she wanted you guys to be here just in case.
Awesome. All right.
I'd
Thank you.
rather have that.
We get in front of you, boss. I want to be following your pizza the whole way up there. Thank you. Just some announcements. Make some announcements, Chad. Team.
Police department, if you're in here, come on out. Police department, if you're in here, come on out. Do it now.
If you don't come out, we're going to send a dog and you're going to get bit. Say something now. Steven, you're under arrest. Come on now. Speak up. He's coming.
Get out here. Hands up.
Hands up first.
Hands up.
Nothing stupid. You're getting bit.
Do it now.
I see one hand, two hands. Unhook the chain.
Unhook the chain. Unhook the chain. Keep those hands up.
Watch him. Yeah, watch him.
Drop to your knees. Drop to your knees.
Fail for. Clear from your
904.95.
Anybody else?
That's Carl.
Yeah. 1095.
Anybody else in here? Person? You know, some folks looking in a hurry.
Good girl, come on. Good girl, yeah. Got him. Caught that bad guy. Good girl. He's in custody, yeah. Thank you. Yep, he was. Excuse me. Thank you. Take a break. Him, take a break. Good girl.
Probation warrant. You'd have been done. Sat in jail for a day or two, and that's it.
Did it all.
She's got a phone, $200 in cash. $200 in cash in his left front pocket.
Are you injured at all? You injured? Lean back, please.
There you go.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
No problem. Persistence.
Persistence paid off, huh? Sweet. You put the money back in your pocket? Okay, I got your phone in your shirt. Where'd you get the new set of clothes?
Definitely the same set of clothes.
Are they? You just took them off for a while?
Oh, dude, I was pouring fucking sweat,
Sit
bro.
right there, please.
I was pouring sweat.
That's hot out.
US v. Hensley 1985, WISStat, Section 968.07. An active felony warrant establishes probable cause to arrest, not mere reasonable suspicion. Johnston had no lawful basis to refuse exit commands at any point during this contact. Graham v. Connor 1989 use of force is judged by objective reasonableness at the moment of decision, considering crime severity, level of threat, and whether the suspect is actively fleeing. Perf. Guiding Principles 2016, Tennessee v. Garner 1985. Tasing a driver causes neuromuscular incapacitation. The vehicle becomes uncontrolled, potentially elevating taser deployment to a deadly force application. Wiz. Stat. Section 941.3. Subsection 1. Wiz. Stat. Section 346.04. Subsection 3. Driving 65 miles per hour through populated city traffic demonstrates utter disregard for human life. Class F felony. First-degree reckless endangering safety. Class H felony. Felony fleeing. IACP model vehicle pursuit policy. When suspect identity is confirmed and direction of travel is known, terminating a high-speed pursuit is the legally and tactically correct decision to protect the public. Stoner v. California 1964. Hotel guests hold Fourth Amendment protection equal to homeowners. Management cannot consent to police entry of an occupied registered guest room on the guest's behalf. Illinois v. Rodriguez 1990. Third-party consent is valid only when the consenting party holds actual authority over the premises. Room 249 was unregistered and out of service. Johnston was a trespasser with no Fourth Amendment standing. Chimmel v. California 1969. A search conducted incident to a lawful arrest requires no warrant. Recovery of phone and currency from Johnston upon arrest was constitutionally valid. Key legal lessons. Tasing a moving vehicle can escalate a less lethal tool to a deadly force application requiring clear policy. Confirmed identity permits lawful pursuit termination over continued public endangerment. Third-party hotel consent is valid only over unregistered, unoccupied premises.